kind of matcha. This one, it's ceremonial grade. It's supposed to be better. It has a greener look than other ones. Let me show you. You see the color? So I'll do it my way. You can do it the same way it instructs you to do it over there. But I like to put like 8 ounces. I normally do half of my coffee cup. Pour this in here. I'll put this in the microwave. It's ready. I'm gonna add a little bit of French vanilla, which I like because it gives the matcha green tea a better taste. A little bit more. And now I'm gonna stir the tea in there. And matcha has been known for its antioxidant properties. Now I'm gonna stir with my magic tool over here, which speeds up every process of making foam. Look, beautiful. It makes a really nice foam too. So now we have our matcha green tea ready. Perfect.